should explain what happened. It was lagging. It was lagging that bad, man.
What is it?
Defeat. You must fight harder next time. Switching sides.
Hello?
Jackie?
Joy.
I forgot to put the ticket in.
No, I saw you, dumb. I saw you put the ticket in.
Yeah, I put it on like 7-12.
Jakey, bro, Jakey, we might get that second win, like with real proof. You remember on lockdown how I was lagging?
Oh yeah. Why? Oh, when you timed out?
Yeah, remember I was lagging?
Yeah.
It's showing like all our. It's showing like how your gun is. It's showing us like it like going. It's just showing it lagging like all like.
That's a good thing. So even if they escalate it, we won't get banned because you're trying to put. The only time you get banned if they escalate it is if you have fake proof. You know that, right?
Yeah, I know.
So hopefully we get these 3 to dispute. Why would that kid dispute if he retarded?
Huh?
Over.
Hey, you ready?